That's a little bit too low. Stop with the mouse, please. Speak. Charlie Chaplin is good. There you go. That is good. So now I go to the streaming. And this doesn't seem to be streaming. It's still where we were before this morning. Yeah, sure. Like something in particular. I still can see on YouTube the session in this morning. Well, I don't have Restream open in my computer now. Do you have it in yours? That's. And can you hear mine on the stream? Oh, hang on. I put it on channel 2 and 4. Sorry, 3 and 4. To record it separately on the recording. So, yeah, if you go there. Two, 3, and 4. Select. But it will be recorded anyway. Do we want the people to hear themselves? That's the question. It's important that I. Gotcha. Then just move that onto.
It'll be a session, a separate session.
Yeah.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. Let's do one thing. Sorry, give me.
Okay. I'm just trying to see if I can hear myself on the stream. Hang on. So Polly, Peter, Piper, Pecker, Pepper. Yep, it works. Yeah. Right, I'll share the stream with you. 1 second.
Oh, look at this. Ha!
You can do transitions if you want to, but
hello.
You don't want to do them. You do not want to do transitions.
Why?
For a very simple reason, that it messes with your bandwidth.
Okay.
Because instead of the image changing for 1 frame to the next,
yeah,
it's changing 100% of the picture is changing for 5 seconds.
Yeah.
So it just causes the entire feed compression to mess up. So you want to stick to cuts.
Okay.
Sorry to upset you, but for streaming, cross dissolves are bad. Come on.
I've got the streaming open in my laptop, man.
Oh, you got the stream running, have you?
Yeah, but it's not running. I cannot see it.
Well, then you haven't got probably haven't got the most latest link then.
Ah, because it's a link every
It's a
time.
new,
It's a new
yes.
link. Ah. Now I cannot hear anything at all.
Yeah, because you haven't got it unmuted. Unmute it. Here you go.
Okay.
So poly, Peter Piper, Piper.
And I can hear now a massive delay, so I prefer to mute this. Thank you. Good. So now I'm going to show you the result page.
You don't want to stream this as well because it's gonna.
What do you want to? What you don't want to stream?
You don't want to. You don't want to be watching your own stream back because it's going to chew up all your bandwidth that you're needing to stream with. Right. The next thing you need to do is to the chat. Test the chat.
Test the chat, but the chat I'm gonna need to open it somewhere. I need to open it in a different window, and I don't know how to do that. It would be great to have it on my laptop on the main window. Because if I want you...
I should have put Restream chat app in your dock already. Here it is.
Restream chat on my dock. Eh? In which dock? Oh, here. Okay, so I move this.
I'll have to give you a different login. But so if you type in something here, it's going to be coming from me. But if I type in, I'm now typing in YouTube. So I'm at YouTube and I'm now typing in butter beans. I don't know.
Okay, let me do one thing then. I need.
So hopefully that will
give me.
It takes a little while to.
Give me control of my computer, please.
Yeah.
Ah, that's minimizing as well in there. Me cago en tu puta madre. Why? He's doing this. Okay, this is no good.
No, but you can open the chat app. Yeah, you don't have any spare desktops. So if you had another desktop, you could probably put this stuff on there. So what you might be able to do is there might be an app for your iPhone or your phone, Restream. And so we can see if you can log in on there, and then you can then follow the chat on your iPhone. Let's have a look.
No, but I can do it on my laptop normally, and have it the.
Oh yeah, on the other window, on the window that no one can see.
Yes.
Yeah.
But anyway, what I'm trying to do. What is the properties of this? Properties.
I type in Restream, and it gives a couple of streaming websites on my lap. The next app is Toilet Finder.
Toilet Finder.
Yeah, because streaming. Full flow. Toilet Finder. Oh, it's funny.
Now, what I would like to have is in one screen all the different softwares I'm using. You know?
You won't. But you'll. That's the thing is the OBS software. You'll have to use blindly when you get going. I'm going to share the link in the office chat. Not that anybody's going to care at 6 o'clock.
Okay, and then let me download here the Restream, whatever the fuck it's called. How do I connect now to my channels in Restream chat?
Pardon? You have to log in. I need to make you a new user. I logged you in with my user here, so I'll need to make you a user. But you see here the test here has worked. So I know it's myself talking to myself, but this one was us talking, and this one was YouTube talking. There is a bit of delay in the time that it types, the time it updates.
I think we can stop the streaming and the recording, maybe, or.
Let me just see if anybody else. Okay, so actually, I want to put you through some trials now and see how you do. So first, I want you to do a few slide presentations, please. So can you take us through the slides?
Don't move the windows, okay? And leave the mouse.
Yeah.
So these are the topics we are going to be seeing today. It's actually these ones here. Actually, we could close the team viewer, probably. That will free up some bandwidth.
That's fine for the minute. Okay, that's really great, Pablo. Can you show me how that works in
Hang on a
Resolve,
second. Let's
please?
try a video.
Okay, I'm watching the stream to see how well it comes through. There's no audio, I don't think. Let me just check. Okay, let me just check if there's audio coming through for that.
So we need the keynote audio in.
So there's no audio.
I know. So
the video doesn't work. Anyway, so okay, that's good. That's a note. If we want to have audio from the keynote, we need to set something up for that. Okay, can you show me how that all works in Resolve, please?
Sure thing. I need to change twice. So basically, every time I root, I need to change in my screen, as you can see, to go to Resolve, and then change in.
And the FK, that's it.
Yeah.
So, and I just want to see what that looks like on the stream. It was seamless. It cut seamlessly.
So we have this one, and let me show you some more of this stuff, of the night stuff. Let's see how it looks. Whee! Look at that chap. Eh? And,
so, yeah, let's see what that grade looks like. Can I see that full screen?
Sure, I can give you the output, and then you can see what I'm doing.
Yeah, you just exactly. You give the output while you're still grading in Resolve. So just change the F key. That's all you have to do.
He's very sick, Tom. And I can go back to the Resolve, and you can see that I'm moving it in here, you know. And sick, healthy, sick, healthy. Okay,
so you've done that, and then go back and show what button you pressed in Resolve again, please.
Yeah, sure. It's this one here. You can see my mouse, no?
Okay, great. That's fantastic. So let's have a quick conversation and recap. It would be great to talk to each other face to face in full screen.
Now here we are.
Ah, fantastic. Okay, and I'd like to give you send you through via the internet a little message. Okay, great.
I've got it.
And what I tell you, one thing we're missing, Pablo, is we need to have a still that is for the start and the end of the stream. So when just before the stream started, we go live, but it goes live to a still
Sure.
that is welcome to the stream, blah blah.
What
and
about?
Thank you for watching.
What about this one?
No, we can build this in the OBS software as a go-to shortcut. So we can do that later. That's right. I know how to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fantastic. That was. Let's go to. Let's have a look at quad view very quickly.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Hopefully there's plenty of audio and there's lots of transitioning there. Particularly, I think it gets particularly complicated for you when you're using Resolve because you can switch backwards forwards between two views when you're doing Resolve. So you can keep people looking at the big. So you just need to switch backwards and forwards on the F keys and be on top of that when you're on Resolve between wanting to go full screen and then when you're talking about a control to make sure that you're showing the controls when you're talking about them.
Yeah, I think that we should add a second software that could be that I would like it to be Lattice. So maybe a sixth.
Yeah, but you can. Yeah, maybe. I mean,
Resolve, for example,
you can. The thing is, each streaming session is going to be different. This is what we're going to have for all the streaming sessions.
Mm-hmm.
But for the Lattice streaming session, we can set up a specific thing for that day that you're talking about Lattice.
Sorry, it was a little bit cracky. Could you repeat?
I said for the Lattice day, we can just set up Lattice as an additional application for that day that you're talking about Lattice. It's not going to be every day you're going to talk about Lattice.
Yeah.
So the other thing we can also add here on the scene is you can add a source, or you can make a new scene with a new source with an image, and we can put an image in there. We can put them all 9 and 0, and say 9 is the slide that you have when you start the stream. It's the holding slide, and then 0 is the slide you have at the end of the stream. And we make sure there's no audio turned on those scenes. So we can do that. So there's a couple of things.
Can I try one thing?
Okay, so
Can I try one thing? Can I unmute this and see if the video now has audio?
Sure. Watching the stream and unmuting. Yeah, it doesn't have audio. What I'm getting is your built-in microphone and your normal microphone at the same overlaid at the top of each other.
Sorry, I'm not listening to you. No?
No, it's your microphone. It's not computer audio.
And add another audio input. Or audio output. Audio output. Test. Classic name.
Local PC audio.
Do you have these videos as external?
I just want to do a display capture and see if the audio comes with it. Hang a
Okay.
minute. So no, it hasn't got put it up in there. I have to hit OK. Maybe it adds it.
Cancel.
Okay. Local
Camera.
PC audio. There it is. So if I hide it,
Can I have the control?
yeah, you have control. No, so if you play it now, see if you get the audio.
Is it coming?
Negative. Hang on a minute. Let me just see. It's probably because it's not the right channel. So let me just check something. It's okay. You play it again.
No. No.
I'm waiting for it to the streams to catch up.
Yeah, but now I can hear myself.
No, I thought it was worth a while try.
Yeah. No.
Yeah. Okay. Let me just.
Yeah. Delete
Let
that
me
one.
sort that out. Okay, I'm going to stop the stream and we'll look at that test back. So we were recording 23 minutes and streaming that long. I'm just going to make sure that this stream's still holding. Switching. Okay, yeah. This is looking good. Anybody else watching? No. Okay.
No.